Hello and welcome, and today I'm going to show you how I create this stunning lighthouse art piece. First we're going to start with the sky. The sky is just a texture image that I use. For the sea, these are the texture for it. To animate the sea, I just animate the coordinates of the texture. For the ground, I use a texture from the Blender Kit add-on. I will leave a link in the description so you can get this add-on. It's also free. For the rocks, I just add a basic shader. For the lighthouse, it's just a combination of tone texture. I will leave a link in the description for the file so you can go through it yourself. For the red strips, I just add a value node here so I can control the value of it, so I can make it brighter or lighter. For the roof, it's just the same texture with a little bit of noise. Same goes for the rails, just a concrete texture that I added from the Blender Kit add-on. This is one of my OG characters. A little bit of compositing here. And that's it. And that's the breakdown for this video.